Hi, Ryu here. I'm a UX designer and also a founder of RealWorldUX. Today, I wanted to cover this topic, the value of hand-drawn sketches in a UX process. Today, most UX designers use software programs such as Sketch, Figma, InVision, Adobe XD, and so on. While these are great tools, I would still recommend doing hand-drawn sketches, especially in the early stages of your UX design process. Why? So that you can completely free yourself from various constraints, including software constraints. As soon as you start creating something in a digital UX design software program, you start getting deep into a visual design detail of every single element that you create. This tends to take your attention away from a bigger picture. Of course, it depends on the scope and the context of your project. But in general, from my own experience, it tends to work better if you start with hand-drawn sketches at first, so that you can minimize initial distractions and constraints. Now, it is true that hand-drawn sketches have its own constraints too. For example, if you have drawn a sketch of one screen and want to create the second screen where a pop-up is overlaid on top of the first screen, it's a duplicated effort if you were to hand-draw everything all over again. This is where a hybrid approach can come in to rescue. In this case, you can hand-draw just the pop-up portion for your second screen. Then, you can scan both of your hand-drawn sketches and composite those digitally on your computer. You can take this approach and make the whole process a lot more productive while still preserving constraint-free nature of the hand-drawn sketches. It's nothing special, really simple, but it's a pretty efficient and effective way to quickly visualize your ideas. Because UX designers come from all the different backgrounds, some of you may not feel too comfortable doing hand-drawn sketches. But don't worry, that's totally fine. We don't need to be an excellent artist to do so. The most important thing is to visualize ideas so that it becomes communicative to others. The nature of hand-drawn sketches emphasizes the fact that it's still an early idea and nothing is set in stone. This allows all the audiences to lower their guards and resistance to something new, which is a stark difference compared to showing a visually finished-looking early concept, which sometimes may trigger more resistance from its audience. In a nutshell, hand-drawn approach and hybrid approach allow everyone, including UX designer who's doing the sketches, to be more open to new ideas and new possibilities. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Feel free to put any comments, suggestions, and questions. If you haven't downloaded my UX resource map or prototype resource map Lite, go ahead and download those from the link below. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.